Hi everyone, my name is Jana, and in this video I want to show you quickly how I place my orders in real time. Some of you are asking to show you a little bit more of this kind of videos, and I'm sending screenshots to Telegram channel, which is absolutely free. You can join. It's Jana FX, and I recorded a little bit of the trades. I sent screenshots last night for Australian dollar and dollar CAD, and if you watch my videos, the weekly analysis, previously you saw that I had Australian dollar buy order floating from the previous week, and also I showed you if I wouldn't have it open where I would place my level again, so that I think was useful. And also dollar Canadian, I had open trade, it was still floating, and I placed another one and sent it to you guys before the market moved, obviously, today. So let's just have a look. I'll show you where I had it. So right now you can see this is the Australian dollar, right? So I secured my previous trade, and it's with the stop, profitable stop, and now I'm placing a buy stop level, and that's the screenshot I sent to you guys. So now you can see dollar Canadian, and this is where I placed my order for sale, so it was a level. So you can see next day, this is what happened. Unfortunately, my previous trade was hit by the stop, but it was profitable, so I made profit on it, but it was a little bit too early, because you can see the Australian continued the way up, and it took triggered the order which I sent for Telegram, and so you can see the stop loss is behind the trade. With the profit too. And also dollar Canadian, you can see it's also sold and split the trade. That's what I'm showing to you, that the lot was 0.08 and now it's 0.04, so the first part closed with profit and the second one is still floating. And I actually placed another sell order from another level, which is also quite strong. So that's pretty much, you can see that's what happened. And now I'm going to show you what is happening right now. So you can see Australian dollar closed the second order. It's still continuing the way up, so I'm hoping maybe it will have a little bit of pullback and I will be able to place the orders again. But this moment, you see, it's all closed by the EA with the stop. So, and I switched it off for now, just waiting for a possible another moment. And dollar Canadian right now, also I decided to close the trade here myself manually. And the previous trade is still open, so I'm not getting the stop loss too close. It's also with profit, as you can see, that's the showing to you. And I don't want to get hit just like I did with Australian dollar. You see, it was a bit too early. And so I'm keeping it open because you see I have another order still there, an open gap. So that's, guys, how it's worked out. And I want to show you it on the account which I'm sharing with you guys for nearly a year. And that's what you can see right here. I have these trades, so you can see that it's all right here. And then later I'll show you on my Facebook. I have some statements and you will be able to see at some point. So you can see that's the Australian, that's the one closed with the stop. It hit it with, you see, the profit 123. So right now it would have been nearly 200. Unfortunately, you see it did hit by few pips, guys, but just few pips, but things happens. So you see that's the second order Australian I showed you, and this is the dollar CAD. You see the dollar Canadian half positions. You see the also Australian dollar, the order I sent you. You see that's how it's split with my EA. You can see it says placed by expert, and also dollar Canadian, you see also placed by expert, and the last order I closed with the manually with my pro. So I had some also pound Australian trades. And what else I had? I had Australian yen. So there are some still cross pairs I'm trading, and I have trades open. But those ones I sent to you. You see that's the results. You wanted to know what it looks like and how it works. Well, here you go. Now you can see it, guys. So it's all the same. Nothing's changed. I'm doing exactly the same thing using my EA, which, like I'm saying, it's very useful to use as a tool. And semi-automatic, but it can be fully automatic. And later this week I will also post you examples of gold. I was testing gold and see how the results will be of automatic trading against my manual trading for this year with my EA. Well, semi-automatic again. So that's it for now, guys. I hope it was useful and interesting for you yet again to see how I use my EA and place my orders and trade daily. And thanks for watching. Happy trading. Don't forget to join Telegram channel Jana FX. Also, if you're interested in line trader, you can find more at patreon.com/JanaFX, or look for any links in the description under this video, and also more screenshots with the results and some other updates you can find a little bit on my blog, also janafx.com. So see you next time. Bye everyone.